This is the affiliate section. The affiliate feature allows you to share a part of your commission earnings with your marketing partner. You can add an affiliate or a sub-affiliate using this feature. A percentage of the commissions you earn will be shared with your affiliate. The affiliate in turn can share a part of the commissions they earn from you to the sub-affiliate. You are in full control of the commission percentage you will share with your affiliate, and the commission percentage your affiliate can share with a sub-affiliate. Here is a complete step-by-step guide on how to add an affiliate or sub-affiliate. Please go through it carefully. Here's a complete step-by-step guide on reviewing your affiliate or sub-affiliate information. Please read it carefully. Now, click on the Add Affiliate button. Now fill in the details as per requirement. Now click on Add User. Done. Affiliate onboarding is successful.